open the door. Put Janak Mike.
Sahar on the run. Still finding it difficult to pierce the defense of the other boy. It's a good move. Sahar on the attack. On the attack. Goal number one, finally for Jihad Sporting Club. That will not be enough for them. They still have 3 more goals to come back into this game. Well and truly ahead.
मैं उधर ही है जिधर वो लड़की लोग डांस कर रहा था ना मैं उधर आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ
Yeah, we are coming with a mic. The lucky draw from Seafirst open mic. Sadika and Goenga. Yeah. Okay. There's a lucky winner who's going to get not 10 riyal, 20 riyal, 30 riyal, they're going to get 50 riyal gift voucher. A big hand to Seafirst for your generous contribution to the entire staff here. And we are going to announce the lucky winner and the beautiful girls out here, Sadika and Goenga. Give a big hand to the lovely girls out here. Let's see the lucky one. And the person should be present here, right? If the person is not here, not entitled. And the lucky one is 92877813 Safina Ashraf. Safina Ashraf. Number, telephone number. Wow! Any parents? Parents of Safina Ashraf, if you are here, you get the full 50 riyal. Okay. Can I have a photograph, please? And that was the lucky 50 riyal from Seafirst. Thank you guys, thank you very much.
Don't forget Charlie with 5 goals now. Well and truly, you can throw up this game.
Now if you want to take one more lucky draw, how many people want to have one more lucky draw? Yes. So we are going to have a lucky draw tomorrow. So get set, tomorrow also be here. We are going to have the same raffle coupons coming up, new raffle coupons, not the same raffle, new raffle coupons coming up with new numbers tomorrow by Seafirst. Thank you guys, thank you very much.
Sahar with his penalty corner. But this wouldn't be enough for them. Let's see if they can translate that into a goal.